Who's the boss? No, who's the boss?
Right up here.
Were you the guys that dug out the hole and left the gravel there? No?
Yeah, we just filled it.
You know, the only question I have is why couldn't they have just leveled that off with gravel so people could use the sidewalk? It was like that for over a week. And not only that, they didn't bother putting up any signs anywhere saying it's blocked. So when you come all the way down this sidewalk in a wheelchair, like I've been doing all week, I have to go down the middle of the street, which is what I'm going to have to do right now. They should have left gravel there so I could drive over it. Right? I mean, people know how to do sidewalks, and I've never seen them leave a big hole in the middle of the sidewalk.
Yeah, we don't usually dig them out, right? We just fill them back.
I know.
I know what you're saying. They usually do put ramps or something in them.
And that thing he's using, that's what they should be doing all downtown on the hills and all the new sidewalks. They're slippery as ice. And when I go down them, these chair tires are always bald. They put really shitty tires on here. And see that there? That's what they should be using on all the hills in Halifax. And they never did once. Unbelievable, eh? I told the mayor, I'm the one that fought to have all these sidewalks fixed. I fought for years. They finally started doing it, and I told the mayor they did it all wrong. And you know what the worst thing is? All the slopes where the curb cutouts are, you know when they score the concrete, they put lines on it? They put the lines in the same direction as the slope. So now, when I'm in my wheelchair that only has this much area touching the ground, right? And I go down, I skid right onto the street. I have no traction at all. So they made it 10 times more dangerous. And I told the mayor, can't they do this properly on the hills? They never did. So all these new curb cutouts in downtown are all deadly for wheelchairs. I mean, literally, I slide out onto the street when the thing's dry. Oh no, he shouldn't smooth it. He should leave it rough. That's the thing. See that there? That's what they should do in downtown. Everywhere they should leave it rough for traction. Oh well, here it doesn't matter. It's a level thing. Take care, guys.
Yeah, okay.
All right, man. But tell the guy there that I'm coming down right by his truck on the street. If you can watch the cars for me. Thank you. Should have been watching the traffic for me. Thank you. It's okay, this ought to be good tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it should be.
Okay. Another blocked sidewalk. That's blocked there.